Good morning, welcome to my vlog. Food court of WTC Mall. Very quiet, still quiet because yeah, most of the people still sleeping. That's why the food court is quiet, still quiet, and the restaurant still closed. See ya. Uh-oh. Hey guys. Some of the restaurant is not open yet. They're not accepting order yet. They usually open at 11. I need to pass by in the pharmacy to buy Panadol. Really guys. Almost every day I'm coming here to buy something what we need in the house. Now I'm gonna buy medicine. I check if there is an Zumba down ground floor. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart legation, and of course don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. This is this is the first floor. This mall is made of wood. That's why it's color brown. That's all for now. Happy weekend. Have a great weekend everyone. Enjoy. Bye.